Climate change can feel like something distant. Weather growing strange, ice melting far away, droughts or floods. But the truth is, it's also something about the ground beneath our feet. Because what happens to the soil shapes the air we breathe and the climate we live in. When soil is damaged, it becomes dry, bare and lifeless. Plants can't grow. Rainwater runs off instead of soaking in. And worse, carbon that was stored safely underground escapes back into the air. There, it strengthens the greenhouse effect, trapping more heat and letting less of it escape into space. Over time, this extra heat is one of the reasons our planet keeps getting warmer. Here's the surprising part. Soil can be both a problem and a solution. We have seen that soil can release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane when it's disturbed or waterlogged. But it can also be a giant storage space that holds carbon for years, even centuries, preventing it from escaping into the atmosphere. What really matters is how we care for the soil. Healthy soils help us face droughts, heavy rains, and extreme heat. They hold water in dry times and drain better in wet ones, just like a sponge that you use in your kitchen. In wet places, smart water management, like improving drainage, helps the ground stay balanced and release less methane. And in farming, avoiding too much of nitrogen fertiliser stops extra nitrous oxide from escaping into the air. Adding compost or planting cover crops makes soil richer and better at holding water during droughts. And keeping soil covered with plants protects it from washing away when heavy rains fall. So yes, soil and climate are deeply connected. Protecting soil is one of the most powerful and natural ways we can slow down climate change and help communities adapt to it. And it starts with all of us. Every garden, every field, every small patch of ground can make a difference. Because when we care for the soil, we care for our future.